Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online class. Today we will solve exercise 2.6 question number 4. So let's start. Question number 4. Simplify and write your answer in the form of a plus iota b. Question part 1 of question number 4 according to your book. Minus 2 over 1 plus iota. Okay students, here the complex number is in the form of fraction. So in solution, first of all we will write this fraction as it is. Then we will multiply the conjugate of the denominator and divide with this fraction. Okay, so the what is the conjugate of the denominator? 1 plus iota. The denominator of 1 plus iota is 1 minus iota. Okay, so 1 minus iota will multiply and divide with this fraction just like this. Minus 2 over 1 plus iota as it is. Then multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 minus iota, with this fraction. Okay, in next step, simplify. Just minus 2 multiply by 1 minus iota and 1 plus iota multiply by 1 minus iota, just like this. Okay students, you know very well, a 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota fulfill the formula of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so a plus b is into a minus b is equal to a square into b square. So we will put the formula here. So first of all we will multiply minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2, and minus 2 multiply by minus iota, it will be plus 2 iota. Then 1 plus iota, 1 minus iota, it will equal to 1 माइनस आयोटा स्केयर. स्टूडेंट्स ये फॉर्मूला है जो कि है ए स्केयर प्लस बी, ए स्केयर माइनस बी स्केयर इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी. गॉट इट. वही फॉर्मूला हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे अप्लाई किया है. अब अगर हम लोग 1 को ए कंसिडर करें और आयोटा को बी कंसिडर करें, द फॉर्मूला इज a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. ठीक है, इंटू ए माइनस बी होता है. तो ये वाली चीज़ इस फॉर्म में है ना, तो अगर ये चीज़ इस फॉर्म में है तो हम ये वाली फॉर्म इस फॉर्म में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि अगर फर्स्ट डिजिट हमारे पास जो ए है वो 1 हो और सेकंड डिजिट जो कि यहाँ बी स्क्वायर है उसके वो हम लोगों ने आयोटा कंसिडर किया हो, तो इस फार्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग वी कैन राइट 1 माइनस आयोटा स्क्वायर, बिकॉज स्क्वायर ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ सेकंड टर्म. गॉट इट. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप minus 2 plus 2 iota as it is, and 1 minus iota square will be equal to minus 1 and minus minus plus, because the value of iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 multiply by minus 1, it will be plus 1. Okay, so in next step 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So minus 2 plus 2 iota over 2. Okay students, look at the numerator of this fraction. We will take the 2 as a common factor. When we take 2 as a common factor, it will become 2 into 1 plus iota over 2. Okay, after taking the common of this one. Okay, so 2 will be cancelled out by 2, so the remaining answer is minus 1 plus iota. Okay, I will repeat it again. First of all, we will take the conjugate of the denominator, that is 1 plus iota. The conjugate of 1 plus iota is 1 minus iota. So we will multiply and divide the conjugate of the denominator just like this. Okay, then multiply the numerator values and the denominator values with each other. -2 multiply by 1 minus iota, and 1 plus iota multiply by 1 minus iota. Okay, okay, in next step, after further multiplication, -2 multiplied by 1 is -2, and -2 multiplied by minus iota, it will be +2 iota, and 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota, we apply this formula on these two complex numbers. Okay, so according to this formula, 1 plus iota into 1 minus iota will be equal to 1 minus iota square. Okay, then putting the values of minus iota square, it will be -1, and -1 will multiply by minus, it will be +1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. -2 plus 2 iota as it is. Okay, then by taking the common 2 from the numerator, just like this, 2, when we take 2 as a common factor, then it will become 2 into -1 plus iota. Okay, then 2 will be cancelled by these 2. The remaining answer is -1 plus iota. Got it? The next one is 2 plus 3 iota over 4 minus iota. Solution: first of all, we will write this statement as it is. Then we will take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply that conjugate and divide with this fraction just like this. 2 plus 3 iota over 4 minus iota. Okay, then what is the conjugate of 4 minus iota? It will 2 plus iota, just by changing the sign of imaginary part. Okay, so 4 plus iota is the conjugate of 4 minus iota. Then we will multiply and divide with this fraction just like this. Okay, then numerator values will multiply with each other and denominator values will be multiplied with each other just like this. 2 plus 3 iota, 4 plus iota, or you can say that 2 will multiply by 4 plus iota and 3 iota will multiply by 4 plus iota. Okay, then 4 minus iota, 4 plus iota as it is. Okay students, after further multiplication, it will become 8 plus 2 iota plus 12 iota plus 3 iota square. Okay, and students, we also apply a square minus b square formula in the denominator. Just like 4 minus iota, the first value is 4 and the second value is iota. Okay, the square of 4 is 16, and the second value, that is iota, the square of second value, the iota, is iota square. So we can write it as just like this: 16 minus iota square. Okay, okay, then putting the value of iota square, that is -1, and -1 multiplied by -1, it will become +1, 16 plus 1. And in numerator, 2, 8 as it is, 2 plus 12 iota will become 14 iota, and -3 iota square, it will become +3, because when we put the value of iota square, it will be -1, and -1 multiplied by 3, it will be -3. Okay, 8 plus 14 iota -3 over 16 plus 1, and 16 plus 1 equal to 17, and 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So in numerator we will add 5 plus 14 iota, and in denominator 16 plus 1 will be 17. Okay, students, now we can write this fraction separately, just like 15 over 17 and plus 14 iota over 17. Got it? The next one is part third, 9 minus 7 iota over 3 plus iota. Just like previous questions, we will multiply or divide the conjugate of the denominator, that is 3 plus iota, and the conjugate of 3 plus iota will be 3 minus iota. So by multiplying and divide conjugate of the denominator, it will become 9 minus 7 iota over 3 plus iota multiplied by 3 minus iota over 3 minus iota. So multiply the numerator values and the denominator values with each other just like this. 9 will multiply by 3 minus iota, and minus 7 iota will multiply by 3 minus iota. Okay, and 3 plus iota into 3 minus iota, it will become, स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया है, ठीक है। आप इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप भी लिख सकते हैं कि पहले 3 प्लस आयोटा इंटू 3 माइनस आयोटा लिखें, उसके बाद फिर ये वाला स्टेप परफॉर्म कर दें, और आप डायरेक्ट भी इसको परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। तो क्या किया है कि यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट ही ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर वाला फार्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया, बिकॉज 3 प्लस आयोटा इंटू 3 माइनस आयोटा पे भी हम लोग ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर वाला फार्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास, ए एज अ 3 है, ठीक है। और फिर बाय टेकिंग स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 इट विल बिकम 9, एंड square of iota, that is second value, it will become iota square. Okay, in next step, 9 multiplied by 3, it 27. 9 multiplied by minus iota, it will become minus 9 iota. Minus 7 iota multiplied by 3, it is minus 21 iota. And minus 7 iota multiplied by minus iota, it will 7 iota square. And 9 plus 9 minus minus 1, it will become 9 plus 1. Okay, so in next step, 27 as it is in numerator, and minus 9 minus 21 iota, it will become minus 30 iota. And minus 7 iota square, it will become, sorry, plus 7 iota square, it will become minus 7 iota square, because when we put the value of iota square, that is minus 1 multiplied by 7, it will become minus 7. Okay, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay students, now 27 minus 7, it is equal to 20, and minus 30 iota as it is over 10. Got it? This is the answer. Okay, in next part, 2 minus 6 iota over 3 plus iota minus 4 plus iota over 3 minus iota. First of all, we will write these two fraction as it is. Okay, then after further solving, we will get as the in denominator the values are same, so we can write it as just like this. 2 minus 6 iota minus 4 plus iota over 3 plus iota. Okay, as we did in previous classes, कि जब भी दो फ्रैक्शंस होती हैं उनके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो हम उसको इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप 2 minus 6 iota minus 4 and minus iota after removing the bracket over 3 plus iota. Okay, then 2 minus 4, it will become minus 2, and minus 6 iota minus iota, it is minus 7 iota, just like this. Minus 2 minus 7 iota over 3 plus iota. Okay students, now we will take the conjugate of the denominator, and that conjugate will multiply and divide with this fraction. Okay, so the conjugate of 3 plus iota is 3 minus iota, so multiply and divide the conjugate of this denominator with this fraction. Okay, then after multiply the numerator values, we will get minus 2 into 3 minus iota and minus 7 iota multiplied by 3 minus iota, just like this, over 9 minus iota square. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे भी हमने वही फार्मूला अप्लाई किया है, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर वाला. आप डायरेक्ट भी इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, और पहले जस्ट लाइक पीछे क्वेश्चंस में किया था हमने 3 प्लस आयोटा इंटू 3 माइनस आयोटा सेपरेटली लिखा, उसके बाद फार्मूला अप्लाई किया. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 3 आयोटा, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए, एंड बाय टेकिंग द square of a, it will become 3, it will become 9, and by taking the square of iota, it will become minus iota square. Okay, according to formula a square minus b square. Okay, then after further simplification, it will become minus 6 plus 2 minus 2 iota plus 7 iota square by multiplying these fractions, these complex numbers with each other, over 9 minus and 9 plus 1, because minus iota square is equal to plus 1. Okay, then minus 6 minus 6 plus 2 minus 21 iota is equal to minus 19 iota, and plus 7 iota square, it will become minus 7. And then minus 9 minus 6 minus 7, it will become minus 13 and plus minus 19 iota as it is over 10. Okay students, in next step we can write it separately, minus 13 over 10 minus 19 iota over question number 5, 1 plus iota over 1 minus iota whole square. So solution, in solution first of all we will write this statement as it is, and then taking the conjugate of this denominator. Okay, the conjugate of this denominator is 1 plus iota, so multiply and divide the conjugate of this denominator with this fraction, just like this. Okay students, यहाँ पे आप bracket put करेंगे this one and this one, होल स्केयर ऐसे ही रहेगा, आपने अब जो भी ऑपरेशन करना है होल स्केयर के अंदर ही करना है, ठीक है अभी. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर with each other, just like this, 1 plus 1 into 1 plus iota and iota plus iota multiplied by 1 plus iota, just like this, over 1 minus iota square by applying the formula of a square minus b square in the denominator values. Okay, and whole square as it is. Okay, after further solving we will get 1 plus iota and iota square over 1 plus 1, because I minus iota square is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, it will become plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, in next step, 1 plus iota, it will become 2 iota, and iota square is, it will become minus 1. Students, just like this, आप एक स्टेप ऐड भी कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे, 1 iota plus iota is equal to 2 iota plus iota square is equal to minus 1 by putting the values of iota square. Okay, so 1 is cancelled out by this minus 1, so the remaining is plus 2 iota square, just like this, plus 2 iota, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, got it, and whole square as it is. Okay students, now we can cancel out this 2 by this 2, sorry. Okay, then it will become iota square, and iota square is equal to minus 1.